Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. But today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can backtest on investing.com app. To do so, you just need to download investing.com on your Android smartphone or even your iOS. After that, just open up your app. Here, after opening up your app, you will be on the coins page of investing.com, and here will be all the information that you need to know about all the coins that are available for you to trade, buy or sell. Here you can see all these coins. For example, if you go into any kind of coins, it will load up all this information in your real time. Here you can see its day range, previous closes, market cap and many more. And if you scroll down, you can also see its technical options, that is hourly selling, daily selling, weekly buying or monthly. Just to backtest, you can also see the news. You can see the news about the coin or any kind of stock that you are trying to invest into and gain more information if it's going to be profitable or not. Backtest also means that you learn how to invest first of all, and to do so you can use these options all available here and use the coin information to advantage in doing so. And this is a simple way on how you can backtest on investing.com. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.